If you don't like any company, just tank it. So this video is Janhit mein Jari and a gyaan session for all of the MBA aspirants. I might not say pharma because post MBA pharma you would end up getting job in an IT company, in a healthcare company, and not necessarily into a pharma company only. So MBA aspirants. So since your final placements is around the corner, and I might say it has almost approached, because a lot of you might have got PPO, PPI, and most of you, I might not say most of you, but few of you would have been already got an offer, and now you are just chill. You have to just give your exams and etc. But a lot of my students would be getting nervous, anxious about them not yet getting placed, and you might be thinking, what less did I do in my SIP so that I did not got an offer, and XYZ. There would be a number of things going around in your head, and let me say, this is an obstacle for you, because if you think about the past, then your future is at risk. So don't think about what happened in the past, but yeah, definitely always think what better should I have done, and take it as a motivation. So let me tell you, it doesn't make a difference even if you get a PPO, PPI, or if you didn't get it. It's like very straightforward. It's like very clear. So just focus on what roles are you fond of, or you want to work as a final placement or as a job, because this is something which is the start of your career. So don't go for, I might say, for the salary, for the CTC thing. Go for the roles which you are actually looking for. If you don't want to do sales and marketing, please don't go for that roles. You have other roles and companies coming, so please focus on that and get that job, and don't focus on the salary. I'm telling you guys, if you love your job, if you love your role, and if you go to that company, eventually you're getting to get your salary increased with a certain period of time. But don't go for salary and not towards the role which you like. So this is like a very gentle reminder for you guys. This is not the end of the world. The world is too big than what this final placements are. I know this is very important and integral part of your life, even if I say, but you might also consider that I have also gone through the same phase. So I'll just, as a since I have gone through this phase, and as an experience, I want to share with you guys that please don't take a lot of stress. Focus on what best you can do. Just close your eyes and feel, I am the best and I deserve the best, and give your best. A few tips for the interviews: if you are going for sales and marketing, if you are going for project management, and if you are going for, let's say, business development role, you have to cater your answers according to that. Okay, so for sales and marketing, you have to be prepared for any kind of question that comes to you. You cannot say I was not ready. So just kind of sit in front of the mirror, in front of the phone, as like what I'm doing. I have the camera in front of me, so I just speak. Let's say if a question pop-ups, how would you answer? So just try. I'm just betting you, just try for 10 times. I'm saying the kind of confidence you will get now, it's like to the next level. And guys, for your interview, I am saying, be frank, be natural, and have that smile on your face. When the interviewer sees that how natural you are, how excited you are, the aura is the thing. Even if you don't know the answers, it's the aura, it's the natural tone, it's the the kind of personality which an interviewer catches while you're giving an interview. So these are like very minute things that you have to be very positive. Don't get nervous, because this is, you have to sell yourself, you have to get this job. If you get nervous, nobody's going to come to you and say, take this job and do it. No, nobody does that. You have to be seen. Everyone gets nervous, everyone gets anxious, but it's the time, it's the moment when you're sitting for the interview. You have to be in the moment. You have to give your best, forgetting everything and just the one aim, the one goal in your life. And guys, trust me, everything falls into place and everything happens for good. So my wishes, my best wishes are with you. And guys, very important, if you are targeting for a certain company and for certain role, please reach out to that senior, to the person who might be working in that company or an organization. It would be very helpful for you, because they are the ones who would have gone through that phase, who would have been into that company. And also the culture of the company matters a lot. So your culture and so your way of working and the culture of the company should definitely match. So speak with your seniors, not one but one and two. Take perspectives and then evaluate if this company is good for you or not. And guys, if you don't like any company, just tank it. Take care. Bye bye.